Want to use two apps at the same time on your Android phone? This hidden feature, called Split Screen View, makes multitasking easier and more productive. Whether you want to watch videos while chatting, browse the web while taking notes, or reply to messages while checking emails, this feature helps you do both without constantly switching between apps. To get started, open the first app you want to use. Next, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold to open the Recent Apps menu, or tap the Recent Apps button if your phone uses 3-button navigation. Once you see your recent apps, tap the app icon at the top of the preview window and select Open in Split Screen View. The app will move to the top half of your screen. Now choose the second app you want to use from the list of recent apps or your app drawer. It will appear on the bottom half of the screen, allowing both apps to run simultaneously. You can easily resize the windows by dragging the blue divider line in the center to give more space to the app you use most. This feature is perfect for multitasking, improving productivity, and making everyday phone use faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and hidden features. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Android tips, tricks, and hidden features.